Hello there, I'm Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com, and this is the Severe Weather Outlook for the 2nd of September. What is happening in the Atlantic? We've got Tropical Storm Dolly. In the Eastern Pacific, Tropical Storm Norbert. We'll talk about those shortly. In Mexico, we've got the possibility for torrential rains in this red area, as well as the possibility for intense rains in all of these orange areas, as well as strong winds in all of the green zones. Of course, both of these storms right along the coast. This one moving this way. We'll talk about that shortly. In the United States today, 2 different slight risk areas for severe thunderstorms. In Canada, a couple of areas for severe thunderstorm watches at the moment, and 1 area for severe, not severe, wind warning. Wind warning is the red thing up there. So here is what is happening over here. We've got Mexico on both coasts. They've got stuff out in the Eastern Pacific and in the Atlantic. So Dolly, of course, moving. You can already see the outer bands reaching the coast. So the land hazards on this one are, of course, the rains and the wind. There are also tropical storm warnings in effect for this blue area. So that is Dolly. And of course, on the other side of the country, we've got Norbert, who there's a tropical storm watch in effect for here. Land hazards on this one are winds and rainfall again. And then over in the Northwest Pacific, by the JTWC, low chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 24 hours on this zone right here. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days. Here's what's happening at this very moment. We've got 14 severe thunderstorm warnings in effect, just kind of all over the place. 5 different special marine warnings in effect as of this moment. In general for today, very low chance of a tornado. Doesn't mean it could happen, just very low chance. 15% chance for the 58 mile per hour and greater winds, and a 5% chance for the 1 inch or larger hail. Tomorrow, we have both a 30% chance for the severe thunderstorms, and as well as this black hatched area. So we'll find out officially tomorrow what the Storm Prediction Center thinks that's going to be, assuming that they do keep the significant risk. But it could be, instead of 58 mile per hour and greater winds, 75 mile per hour and greater winds. Instead of 1 inch or larger hail, 2 inch or larger hail. And instead of a tornado of any size, could be tornadoes on a scale of EF2 to that start at EF2 on a scale that goes from EF0 to EF5. We will find out tomorrow, though. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.